Oh, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2006 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 6152. This ran from the 12th 2005 or 09 2007. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight has sun cracks. Left front guard no dents. Left front factory 16-inch alloy mag good tyre. Left front door mirror has some peeling. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgates, one crease at the bottom. Right rear taillight. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door one dent. Right front headlight needs a polish and has sun cracks. Right front guard no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front door mirror has some peeling. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. heated AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Has button controller missing. Instrument cluster. Front interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor.